Here we go, another big adventure today. We're going to add some parts to the bike and see if I can do two cameras. I'd like to see if I can get the drone to follow me and also use the other 360 camera to see if I can get some video of the drone following me. Well, we'll see how it goes. Again, the goal is to get the drone back. Well, here we go. Another adventure on the bike this time. I don't know if I'll make it back up this hill or not. I may end up walking up the hill. Who knows? The idea is to go down the hill. Okay. Time out. Maintenance time already. Okay, we made it to the bottom of the hill in one pit stop already. Alright, let's go on and see what happens next. Give myself a little boost. Get this gravel road. Gravel. Not as bad. Looks like there's a tractor right down there. Okay, so I'm going to stop here and see if I can get the drone turned on. That's step 2. Stop breaking the drone. Hopefully I can get some satellites quicker. Here we go. Well, that was interesting. Huh. Done. Oh my gosh. Between the bike and you, 360 over here and another 360 over there. It's a heavy bike. Gosh. Yeah, now I got all this stuff going on, don't I? Okay, I'm gonna turn you off.